Hi guys, this is our packing video. The reason I thought it's important to record it is because when preparing for this quarantine, I researched a lot on the internet and I tried to watch a lot of videos about people doing quarantine with young children, and I could not find anything helpful for me because most people that do quarantine or self-isolation still have a pretty decent sized house, and they have a yard or they have places they can go with the baby outside. So that is not what we are going to experience because our quarantine is going to be 3 weeks in a hotel. We cannot even go to the balcony. We cannot open the windows. So it's literally just 3 weeks in a confined space, two adults with a young baby. Eliana is going to be 11, going to 12 months in there. So that's 3 weeks plus 1 week in self-isolation in a service department provided by the school. That's a little bit better because if we run out of some things during our quarantine time in the hotel, we can get things delivered, we can get food delivered, we can get people to bring us things. So I'm not too stressed out about that, but I'm still trying to prepare enough for 4 weeks just so that we are not a burden to anyone and we don't have to ask people to bring us diapers or extra things. So these are all the things that I'm going to pack with me. I know it's a lot. All these things are going into one or multiple suitcases. Here we got the food. I'm packing crackers for snacks, oatmeal, grains. I'm packing purees, one per day because we have fruit bowls, and some porridge for Eliana for lunch and breakfast. It really pains me to see how many diapers we have to bring and use. Here in Korea, I use reusable diapers, or I'll just let Eliana go diaper free and just do a bunch of laundry, but I don't think that's going to be possible there. So I calculated 5 diapers per day plus 1 night diaper, and I hope that's going to be enough. So now the most fun part of this video, these are all the toys and activities that I'm bringing with us, and let's look at them one by one. First, you can see some of the small and cute things that I got that she might enjoy. They're very light, but you can do a lot of fun things with them, like these crayons. We'll do a lot of drawing. Eliana loves balloons, so that's gonna be a lot of fun. I got these finger puppets, and I hope that we can also invent some fun games with that. Then I got this masking tape. I know it's an odd one, but I've seen people stick toys on the walls with the babies to just try and peel them off, and they have a lot of fun doing that. Now we got some puppets, soap bubbles. Now we got this really cool mat. Here you just fill up the pen with water, and the water leaves marks on the mat. Here's another cool toy. It's a magnetic fish pole. You spread the toys around and let the baby fish them up. Eliana really enjoyed this magnetic set at school, so we decided to get one as well. This is a fun touch piano. It's got a bunch of different settings and instruments. It makes lots of cool noises and sounds. Eliana loves it. Also bringing a bunch of books in different languages. We got these magnetic animals and the board, some stacking cups, a musical set. These are probably the heaviest toys in our suitcase, but they're great for Eliana's age. Another musical toy. This is a water toy that rotates and makes little splashes when you pour water into it, and it also sticks on the side of the bathtub or on the side of the wall. A soft ball. And at last, a really nice toy for Eliana's age to learn shapes. So yeah, that's it. These are all the things that I'm gonna pack and take with us. And I'm also gonna make another video about what I wish I had packed, what I wish I did not take with us, and I think it's gonna be a huge adjustment, and there's no way to perfectly prepare for it, but this is what I've done. So I'll let you know what worked and what did not. For now, that's it. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!